You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player playing with the national French rugby team and future World Cup champion. Let's see. In French, Charles. Charles, the S is silent to Charles in French, so not Charles. Charles. No, Charles. Ollivon. Charles Ollivon is how we say it in French. We could say in English, I guess, Charles Ollivon. Charles Ollivon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.